Hi, I'm Nalan Shine. I'm here in Dr.MGR Educational and Research Institute, holding the Certificate of Honor. And the beautiful part is I'm the first to be bestowed with the wonderful Dr.MGR Culinary Maestro Award 2024. Thank you so much, and I should acknowledge the Honorable President, ERACS Arun Kumar Sir, Professor Dr. S. Gita Lakshmi Madam, Dr. C.B. Palanivelu, and Chef Prabhu Manikam Sir. It is really an acknowledgement to the Kalian culinary world. Thank you so much for this wonderful award. Signing a MOU with Dr.MGR University on last August, I believe. We have developed a beautiful, wonderful relation, exchanging students, developing them and educating them the etiquettes and manners and also the professionalism of Kalian culinary. We look forward for a beautiful and wonderful relationship to build it completely professional, where I believe that the tradition has to be treasured, and that treasure is going to be remarkably uplifting the upcoming culinary chefs in the industry and also in the world of culinary. And I'm sure that Dr.MGR Institute and Research Center will add extraordinary students more and more, as happened in Bangalore. Recently, they have brought wonderful awards and medals to this institute, where we feel proud of those kids because the management and the faculties have a lot of effort in developing such kind of students to empower them and to educate them the value of being a culinary artist. Let's build a wonderful culinary world. Let's build a wonderful nation, because health is wealth. And totally, when we look up to the health of the nation, it is all up to the chef. Prepare wonderful dishes. Thank you.